Living in Tampa means enjoying sunny days, coastal breezes, and the occasional tropical storm. While your home is your sanctuary, your windows play a crucial role in keeping it comfortable, energy efficient, and protected from the elements. If your windows are outdated or damaged, they may no longer be serving their purpose effectively. Here are some telltale signs that it might be time to invest in replacement windows for your Tampa home. Higher energy bills. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacing is an increase in your energy bills. If your windows are not properly insulated, they allow heat to enter during the summer and escape during the winter, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. New energy-efficient windows with low E-glass and insulated frames can significantly reduce energy costs and keep your home comfortable year-round. Drafts and air leaks. Feeling a draft near your windows even when they're closed. This is a clear indicator that your windows have lost their seal, allowing air to pass through. This not only affects your indoor comfort but also leads to higher energy consumption. If weather stripping and seal repairs don't solve the problem, it may be time to upgrade to modern, airtight replacement windows. Difficulty opening and closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly. If you find yourself struggling with sticky, warped, or broken windows, it may be due to age, moisture damage, or faulty hardware. Not only is this an inconvenience, but it can also be a safety hazard in case of emergencies. Condensation between glass pane. If you notice condensation or fogging between the panes of your double or triple pane windows, this could indicate a broken seal. A failed seal means moisture is getting trapped inside, reducing the window's insulating properties. Unfortunately, once a seal is broken, the only solution is replacing the window. Visible damage or decay. Inspect your windows for signs of damage such as rotting wood, cracked glass, or warping. Tampa's humid climate and frequent storms can take a toll on window frames, especially if they are made of wood. Cracks and warping not only look unsightly but can also compromise your home's security and energy efficiency. Outside noise seeping in your windows should help reduce outdoor noise. If you notice that external sounds such as traffic, barking dogs, or loud neighbors are more audible inside your home, your windows may lack proper insulation. Modern replacement windows with double or triple panes can provide excellent soundproofing benefits. Fading furniture and flooring. Sunlight streaming through your windows can cause your furniture, carpets, and hardwood floors to fade over time. Older windows may lack UV protection, allowing harmful rays to enter your home. Upgrading to windows with UV blocking technology can help preserve your interior decor and protect your belongings from sun damage. Outdated appearance. Your windows contribute to your home's curb appeal. If they look outdated, worn, or no longer match your home's style, replacing them can enhance the overall aesthetic and increase your property value. Modern window styles can give your home a fresh, updated look while providing better energy efficiency. Frequent repair. Are you constantly fixing window issues? If you find yourself repeatedly repairing broken locks, cracked panes, or failing seals, it might be more cost-effective to invest in new, high-quality replacement windows. New windows come with warranties and require less maintenance, saving you time and money in the long run. Upgrade your Tampa home with new windows. Replacing your windows is a smart investment that can improve your home's energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. If you recognize any of the signs mentioned above, consider upgrading to modern, high-performance windows designed to withstand Tampa's climate. Not only will you enjoy a more comfortable living space, but you may also see significant savings on your energy bills.